Just go to Canva, take the templates, so select any one template, so we can change as we want. So just take another page, just delete the previous one and then change the color background as white. So yeah, now you have to go to elements and there you can just search for quarter circle. So I'll be getting frames, just take one and the other, this one, just place it here. So you can find other two here next to that, just place them also. So it will arrange in a proper order, so no need to bother about the spacing. It will tell you like this should be placed here. Just group them all, just right click and select multiple, just select all and just group them so that you can move all this at a time, and just place them in a middle position. Just go to position, align, so middle center. So now it's middle at center. So now whatever the images you want to add here, you can just take all of them. So you can just take all of them and add to the page, and just give it all of them into the part. So yeah, we were missing one picture. I hope that was this. Yeah, so now we have uploaded the images to the circle. So next part what we have to do is, here is we have to duplicate this particular let me just do the naming kind of thing also. Just may add the heading here. Let me have here is a summer. I'm just changing the font as you can have anything. I'm choosing this part and I'm placing this here. This is summer. Yeah, now we are fine. We can just duplicate this part 4 times. So now we are good to go. So summer, this is one. I'm just taking and grouping this and just getting this part, and in the next thing I'm just changing the text to here, and the spell here is it's a spring. I'm just ungrouping this and dragging this, and the third picture the same comes here, and it's winter. Ungrouping this part and just dragging this. In the fourth picture the same, just renaming this to monsoon, ungrouping this and just dragging some bit. So now we are good to go. So just giving the timings, just adding the transitions. You can add transition as match and move to all the pages, and also timing for all of them. I can just add 2 seconds for all, right? So just me give like 2 and apply to all pages, and tada, we are done. Just running this. See how beautifully we have designed. I hope this part is clear to you. Thank you.